What is the best organic matcha powder out there? Let's find out with a taste test. I wanted to search out the internet to find some of the best quality matcha out there for you guys. To narrow down my search, because there are hundreds if not thousands of matcha powders out there, I used different methods for finding the most popular matcha powders. My baseline criteria for the matcha powders were that they needed to be organic and produced in Japan. First, I picked out 5 matcha powders from other bloggers that they recommended as some of their top favorites. Next, I purchased 4 matcha powders that were displayed on Google's popular products carousel. I typed in organic matcha powder made in Japan and purchased 4 of the top ones. Then I bought the 4 highest rated matcha powders on Amazon. I typed in organic matcha powder made in Japan and sorted by average customer review. And again, it had to be organic, made in Japan, pure matcha, and more than 500 reviews. Finally, I just decided to throw in Thrive Market's ceremonial grade matcha as a wild card. Now, after I received all of the matcha powders, I rated their color and taste tested them all as lattes, since that's my favorite way to enjoy matcha. I made detailed notes about the smell, taste, texture, and things like that. And to finish off my matcha trials, I decided to do a blind taste test of all 14 of the matcha powders. I prepared half a teaspoon of each mixed with 2 ounces of hot water. I whisked each one for 20 seconds. And beforehand, I put the brand of each of the matcha powders on the bottom of the bowl, so I can't see it, but later on I can tell which is which. And then I have my counter numbered, and I have little cutout pieces of paper so that I can switch around the ranking of which matcha powder I like the best. Now, I'm just gonna go off of my gut reaction and rank these according to which is my favorite. Some things that I'll be judging on are bitterness, strength of matcha flavor, texture, and things like that. All right, let's get started. So this is matcha number 1. I have no idea what brand this is. I'll give it a little swirl. It smells fairly grassy, a little bit savory. There's quite a bit of bitterness there and some astringency. It's okay. Okay, number 2. This one I think I like a little bit better. Still some bitterness, but I think there's like a little bit more of a hint of sweetness. So that one I'm gonna move to the top. Okay, number 3. Graininess, bitterness. Not terrible, but I think it's my least favorite so far. Okay, number 4. I would say it has maybe a little bit of a weaker flavor than the first 2. I like it better than number 3 though. 4 is gonna go above number 3. Okay, number 5, give it a swirl. I like that. It has a little bit of a, kind of a savory flavor. I would say that number 5 goes below number 1 and number 2. Okay, number 6. It's a little more mild. I would say it's less bitter. I think I like it better. Taste it against 5. I think I like it better than 5. How about 2? I would say 6 goes after. Okay, number 7. This one is quite a bit more brown in color, so I'm interested to see what the flavor is like. It has a fishy smell, quite bitter. I would say 7 is all the way at the bottom right now. Wow, quite bitter and kind of like astringent. Okay, number 8. This one seems quite bitter as well. Taste it against 4. I think I like 4 a little better. Let's try it against 3. I would say 8 goes below 3. These numbers are going to sound really confusing to you guys. All right, number 9 has a pleasant smell. I like that pretty well. I taste it against 2, which is in the top position right now. It's a little more bitter than 2. Let me try 1, which is in the number 2 place. That's actually quite bitter. I would say number 9 gets to go in the number 2 place. All right, number 10. This one is also a little more brown in color. Flavor is not bad though. Somewhat bitter, not super sweet. Let's see it against 4 and 5. I think 4 is better. Let's see 5. Let's try number 3. Okay, I think 10 is better than 3. All right, on to 11. We're in the home stretch now. That's quite nice. I think it's quite fresh. pretty smooth texture, a little bit of graininess. Let me taste this against 1, which is in number 3 right now. I think that's better than 1. I'll try it against 9. That's close. Let me try number 2, which is in the first spot. Ooh, it's close. I would say 11 goes, I should try it against 6 though. I would say 11 goes above 6. Okay, number 12. Here we go. Caffeine might be hitting me. That's quite good. Let me try it against 1. Let me try it against 9. I would say 12 is gonna go above 1. Okay, so 8 is right there. Whew. This has a different flavor. That's actually kind of nice. Let's test it against 11. Quite close. Let me try 1. I would say 13 is above 1. All right, 14. This one is also maybe a little bit more on the muddy side as far as color goes. It's not really that bitter though. Maybe the flavor isn't extremely strong. I like that quite a bit. Let me try that against 6. I feel like 6 has a little bit of a stronger matcha flavor. Let me try 5. Try 4. Okay, I think 14 goes above 4. Okay, now that I have everything taste tested and ranked, I can reveal which brands won out and which ones were at the bottom. In the number 1 place was Thrive Market. Number 2, Jade Leaf. Number 3, Kyoto Dew. Number 4, Incha Ceremonial. Number 5, Matcha Organics. Number 6, Pantanger. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Number 7, Akira. Number 8, Mizuba. Number 9, Kiss Me Organics. Number 10, Dough Ceremonial. Number 11, Dough Summer. Number 12, Aprika Life. Number 13, Incha Latte. And in last place, we have Splend Mood. And if you'd like to learn more about all of these different matcha brands, make sure to check out the blog post that goes along with this video. All right, well, if you had fun watching me blind taste test all these matcha powders, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more food and cooking videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. I feel buzzed. Now, I've been drinking matcha, but I wanted to search out the internet. I made detailed notes about the smell, taste,